Savor the taste of cassava in every bite. And get ready to embrace the warmth of Filipino delicacy. A unique combination of mashed cassava, condensed milk, and cheese. Nilupak will take you on a delightful journey of yummy textures and flavors. Start by greasing a baking pan with butter or margarine. This will ensure the dish from sticking. Set aside for the meantime. Cut fresh cassava into smaller pieces. This will make it easier to peel the cassava. Carefully peel off the husk using a knife. Stick the knife under the husk to separate from the meat. Cut the meat into small pieces to boil it easier. Wash cassava pieces thoroughly and transfer in a pot. Add enough water to submerge the cassava pieces. Boil the cassava over medium heat. Then cover the pot with a lid. Cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Or until cassava pieces are fork tender. Remove from heat and transfer cassava in a bowl. Mash cassava using a potato masher or fork until all pieces are mashed thoroughly. Add softened butter. Mash some more until desired texture is achieved. Pour in condensed milk. Mix until fully incorporated. Add sugar depending on how sweet you want the dessert to be. Add a pinch of salt for some balance. Mix the ingredients to fully incorporate. Taste and adjust if needed. Transfer cassava mixture into the prepared pan. Gently push down and flatten the top with a spatula or spoon. Brush the top with melted butter or margarine. Optionally, scrape top with fork to make it visually appealing. Add some cheese of your choice on top to make it more delicious. Serve and enjoy. If you like this video, please follow Amiable Foods for more recipes.